Is your healthy salad quietly spiking your blood sugar? Hi, I'm Amy. Most store-bought dressings are full of hidden sugars, and they can drain your energy. Many dressings look healthy, but they often contain added sugars even in small amounts. These hidden sugars can affect your energy and leave you feeling hungry again. Not long after eating, I keep things simple, using ingredients I understand and trust in my kitchen. Here's what I use instead: fresh lemon juice, a little olive oil, and just a pinch of salt. Start with fresh greens. Add sliced cucumber. Squeeze fresh lemon juice. Drizzles olive oil. Add a pinch of salt. Sprinkle chai seeds. This is simple, fresh, and supports steady energy through your day. Save this for later. And subscribe Amypresh Kitchen for simple, nourishing meals.